What is the use of stretch command? I have this diagram. If I want to stretch this diagram left side 500 mm, how can I stretch? I will select command from the draw panel. Then which side I want to stretch is large, I can select. I will select is left side. Then right click from mouse. Then endpoint. Give the dimension. I give the dimension is 500 mm from keyboard. Then select and enter. You see this one is stretch is 500 mm from left side. Again I want to stretch is right side is 500 mm. I can use a shortcut key from keyboard STRE. You see this one is stretch command. I will select here. Then I select the object from right side. Click. If you want to give the dimension, you can give the dimension. If you use manually, you can use manually. I will give the dimension is 500 mm. You see this one is now is 2000 mm. This one is distance of this object. If you want to upside and downside, same procedure. You can select the stretch command. Select from here. Then you move from here. I give 200 mm from keyboard. You see this one is use of stretch command.